1. What is big data? Answer. Big data refers to extremely large datasets that cannot be processed or analyzed using traditional data processing techniques. 2. What is the primary purpose of clustering in data analysis? Answer. Clustering aims to group a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group are more similar to each other than to those in other groups. 3. Define univariate data. Answer. Univariate data consists of observations on a single variable or attribute. 4. Define multivariate data. Answer. Multivariate data involves observations on multiple variables or attributes. 5. How does univariate analysis differ from multivariate analysis? Univariate analysis examines one variable individually, while multivariate analysis explores multiple variables together to identify patterns and relationships. 6. What are some common tools used to handle big data? Answer. Tools such as Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, and NoSQL databases are commonly used for managing and processing big data. 7. What is an example of a clustering algorithm? Answer. K-means is a popular example of a clustering algorithm. 8. What statistical measures are commonly used in univariate data analysis? Answer. Common measures include mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. 9. What is the benefit of using multivariate analysis in research? Answer. It allows for the examination of complex relationships and interactions between multiple variables, leading to more comprehensive insights. 10. How does big data influence business decision-making? Answer. Big data enables more informed and accurate decision-making through predictive analytics and data-driven insights. 11. What challenge does big data pose for traditional databases? Answer. Traditional databases struggle with the volume, variety, and velocity of big data, often requiring more scalable and flexible solutions. 12. What is one challenge of univariate analysis? Answer. It can oversimplify data analysis by ignoring relationships between variables, which might lead to incomplete insights. 13. How can multivariate data be visualized? Asware. Techniques like scatter plots, heat maps, and parallel coordinates are used to visualize multivariate data. 14. What is a practical application of comparing univariate and multivariate analysis? Answer. It helps in statistical modeling to determine if single or multiple variables are better at predicting outcomes. 15. Why is clustering useful in data mining? Answer. It identifies distinct groups and patterns, aiding in segmentation, anomaly detection, and simplification of complex datasets.